So guys, welcome back to this channel. Now to those of you that are yet to subscribe, please guys do not forget to click on that subscribe button, like and share. I would also be dropping the link to my Telegram channel in the comment section. So once you scroll down to the comment section, you'll see the link. Click on the link, follow me on Telegram, so I'll be communicating with you guys there better. So let's take a look at AUD USD. Full trend, downtrend move. I think this movement started early last year, if I'm not wrong. See it, this is it here. Let's this movement here, this is 2023. So we'll say early this year, late last year. So price has been dropping, right? So it got to a time that price literally ranged within this level. This was once the top was the resistance level, while the bottom was the support level, right? The price gave us a breakout of the support level. Price broke below the support level. Now, if we take a look at this moment, price is now giving us a retracement to come to tap this support level. Can you see it? Price has come to tap the support level. So after that, what next do we expect? Of course, we expect a new movement, a downward movement. So hopefully we are able to hit the support level. I think we have about 20 pips to hit the support level correctly. Then the next movement will be a movement downward. So basically we are projecting a sell on AUD USD. We are expecting to sell or go short on AUD USD today. Now, before we go ahead, have it in mind that we'll be expecting NFP news today, which is a very, very volatile situation. I mean, we don't know what the news will be released. If I personally, I don't know. Some people might have an idea. Personally, I don't have. So basically, I'm very, very careful taking a trade around this level. But this price, it's either this price pushes up or it drops because of the news. But technically, if we are to put the news aside on the technical aspect of this, we are expecting AUD USD to drop. But due to the fact that NFP will be released today and some major news, we don't know if that news will actually push it down. Because if it will push it down, then it will be massive. The drop would be massive. And if it will push it up, then no problem, then we might see it go up. But I'll be very, very careful taking a trade today on any USD pairs, by the way. So by the way, technically we are projecting a sell on AUD USD.